I'm going to be trying to, well, try to see how good this mic is. Let's, yeah. Block friend request off. Yep. I'm gonna try to break the friend request limit, or friend limit. But besides the point. Ooh, I don't know how loud that is for you guys. So yeah, this is just gonna be a testing video, testing everything, and then testing my mic quality, and if you guys can hear anything or not, just all that. So yeah, I'm gonna try to get some of my brawlers like Dynamite and Pam and Carl. Ugh, man, that's gonna be. These are gonna be, yeah, these are gonna be my hard ones. No, BB could be pretty, yeah. Okay, these are gonna be my hard ones out of what I've already done. So, yeah, let's go into Show Showdown and just test the audio and all that. Without further ado, let's do this. Also, I'm having a lot of spare time because when it comes to, come on, oh, okay, this dude's not gonna. There we go. There we go. Okay. Since he's done, I've just been having a lot of free time as of late. Another thrower. Oh, come on. He missed. Oh, that dude's gonna die. Okay. Hmm. Crap. I've got can't hum songs while doing this. Do-do-do-do-do-do. Oh, snap. Yeah, I thought someone would be here. Wow. This should be around, yeah, this is like a little bit below 500. No one should just try to 50-50 like that. They could just be dumb. That I have absolutely no clue where this dude is. That is scary for me. Oh, there's his turret. So, I'm gonna grab. Okay, he's not there. So must be Penny. Yeah, yeah. This is definitely signs of Penny. Okay, where's? Yep, there's the Penny. I was like, where in the world is this dude? Uh, wow, he dumb. He big dumb. He big dumb. He big dumb. Yeah, he big dumb. Yep. Okay, cool. Yeah. Yeah, I'm definitely gonna get Dynamite to 500. That's without a doubt. No matter how long it takes me. And then I've gotten so wrapped up in school, I've lost track of this. I need to upload a part 3 to the One Life challenge. Yeah. Oh, come on. This dude's actually pretty good. Oh, and he died to Sandy. Let's go. Okay. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. Oh, he did not know that I had stun on, did he? Back away, Sandy. I do not want to fight you. I could have her possibly pinned and just. I could push her to that. I could push her to the Edgar. Yep, I'm gonna do it. Pushing that to the Edgar. Oh, oh snap! There's an Ems. I'm pretty sure there's an Edgar right here. Isn't there? Nope, that Edgar is gone. Okay, this dude is. Is this a bot? What is this? Okay, is he just? Yeah, he's just giving up. Okay. Yeah. Yeah. Thank you for the At least didn't have to forfeit much. No, I'm gonna play it safe. Four cubes. Hey, how's it going? Frick, I'm gonna die. Oh, crap. At least I didn't lose trophies. Yeah. Yeah. I have been deciding to play some competitive Brawl Stars like in the and another Dynamite. Cool. Okay, yeah, I cannot with this. I cannot with this Dynamite. No! Oh crap. That's not fun. Mm, I should really not try to pressure stuff. Big mistake on my part. Okay. Mm. Stew. Okay. Why does this seem untouched? And let's take out the 8-bit. And surprisingly, I conquered mid. Nice. That is really okay. Hey, oh, he has that. He has the seek ability. Makes it where you can see anybody. Oh, how in the world did he shoot that? Oh, hey, how's it going, Carl? Yep, Carl, you did. And Stu's also dead. Cool. Come on, Byron. Yep, and Byron's also dead. And that's also dead. Wow, how many kills was that? One, four? Four kills. 5, 6. Yep. Oh, 2 kills away from getting that one in the emote. Nice. Yeah, classic Dynamite. 7. Come on. Oh, come on. Oh, I forgot 7 doesn't mean anything anymore since I got him to that. Let's do some free. Mega box. Cool. Oh. No, I'm not. Yeah, I don't want to get liner back, but I'm very much contemplating it. Yeah, I'm gonna get Moldy Mike next. That's gonna be a fun skin to play. Yeah. I don't know how long this video is gonna be. I'm at least gonna try to get 2 brawlers to 15. No, 50. 500. There it is. 500 trophies. So, this process. I really hope I didn't just make myself an idiot. Oh, Rick, I did. There it is. Yep. I hate that. Okay. Never mind. I'm just gonna try to get Mike. Yeah. Yeah, I'm gonna just. Ooh. Yeah, I'm just gonna get Mike to the. Just gonna Mike to 500, and then I'm gonna stop. Yeah. So I do want to try start streaming on YouTube, but I do not know what do I need and all that. This is really going downhill though. I don't know what I'm going to need in order to stream on YouTube. Because in the future, I do really want to do that. But for the meantime, until I figure all that out, I'm streaming on Twitch. I don't have my PC built, still getting the parts, so it's just me playing Brawl Stars and come on, this is really not fun for me. Yep, I'm gonna die. I hate that. Dang it. Hug. This is really going downhill. Not every game can and not every game I can win. So there's that. That's who's dead. M's, don't you dare. You're at 16 M's. Don't you dare try to push with that. Okay. Oh, there's that man. What in the world is that bull doing? That's my one main concern. Oh, is he fighting that dude? Oh, frick, no. Ah, this is hurting me. Yeah. Okay. Dang it. And now I'm out and I'm severely low. Yes! Please tell me I got that first. Yes! Let's go! Ah, let's just finish that off. Player icon. This is actually pretty fun. Yeah. Yeah, I should like that a lot. We're doing change my name. Yeah, no, I've not done anything. All my stats. Ooh. And my club. I did not challenge in that because I was too focused on schoolwork. Any of you guys want to join? There is my club name. It is completely open. Yeah, you do have to have a requirement of 200 trophies, but yeah. Let's win one more 10, and that should push me over the edge of 500. I've went from 493 to oh, this Jackie's gonna die. Oh, she really trying to come after me? Okay, hey Bia. Oh, yep, die. Okay, looks like I'm gonna have to wrap this up very fast. Come on, come on, come on, come on, come on, come on. By the way, I was just playing while my mom was shopping. Yes. Yes. Oh, okay, thank goodness. No. Ah, crap. Crepes. Ah, well, I'm gonna have to end it off 2.